Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, it is still very gloomy and rainy. It's misting right now. It rained all night again. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank up the four-wheeler, let it start warming up, and then go ahead and take a ride and just check the property and make sure that everything is good to go. Make sure no trees have been down. Might have to choke it a little bit. Might be a little bit colder than it needs to be this morning. It is a little chilly, not too bad. I only got a sweatshirt and a light long sleeve up underneath. But it is muddy out here. Those are the tracks where I backed up to the truck to unload some stuff. And then in my yard right here, this area gets a little wet. And then all the water from back there, it doesn't drain over here any, but it drains down the driveway and comes right here to this low section right here up underneath the tree. Give y'all a little bit of reference. Right here is the pond, and right there is the tiny house. And we had some high winds as well. You can see the monster cans all the way over here. They was actually in a bag by my door and ended up all the way over here. But I have this little low area right here. I need to bring in some fill right here to level that out, and then come over here on the side, and you can see a natural little low spot there going down there to where the creek is, and that way it brings it down. But that's good to see. Me and Uber will make quick work of that this spring for sure. Let me switch my camera. I think the four-wheeler is good enough. And of course I come out here to do this and start sprinkling a little bit harder. Regulators, mount up. Who's that from? There's actually two different things it's from. All right, let's spin y'all. Let's go for a little ride. And we're going. Good morning, Coco. Morning, guys. I think I got something stuck up underneath the four-wheeler. I keep hearing it clicking. Let's see. Yep. I knew I heard something. Exhaust is right there, making it hard to breathe. There we go. Low maintenance, low maintenance. Oh, we'll start out by the power line. See what it's looking like back there. I can already see quite a bit of water on the road. Oh yeah. See, this is all the water that's coming from the mountain behind me. And then it's going right here. And this area right here is where I want to put the pond in the spring, because it's got a natural flow of water right here. When I build that pond, I'm going to have to put an outlet on the backside right there and kind of catch to where it naturally picks up to go down to the river there. But that should keep that pond full and moving in the rainy time in the winter. Beautiful though. A little perspective, that right there was the hunting area where I got the deer. Oh yeah, definitely got a lot of water. You can see another one right here that's flowing, that's coming off from my property back here, my new property I'm getting. I think tomorrow or the next day I'm going to go back here and I'm going to walk the new property and kind of see where all the low areas are there. You can see it coming down this road right here good though. Oh yeah. Let's go check out the main creek. Drifter's Lane. I'll show you what it looks like after we pulled the truck out yesterday and where they're parked. Right there's where they're parked. Right there's where Mike was stuck at. It is a soupy mess there. Oh yeah, she's a muddy. You can hear the creek running. There's also another little bad area right up there. This right here is by far the worst. We'll be addressing that when it dries out a little bit. Show y'all the creek. See if I can get to it from here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to it from here. I'll show y'all here in a minute. It's a little bit thicker than I want to walk through right now. Let's back it up. Woo. I love going on these adventures on the mountain. Back it up. Turn with it. Put my back into it. Turning around one-handed, it'll get you. Cool to see the river. It's a little bit closer, ain't so hard to go through. Woo. Sure is beautiful. Check it out. I love it. If it's flowing that good down here, I'm sure it's flowing pretty good down there where we're supposed to cross. Whoa. My nose is getting cold. Might have should have brought a jacket too. Seems like it's getting colder as I go. Mount up. Let's ride. This is the creek behind the cabin. You see the cabin up there? I love this creek right here. The pond's right over there. It's a little wet. I might have to do a little bit more pitching there. It's draining, but not real fast. Definitely doing his job. All the way out to the creek. And then the inlet. Getting it done. It's a lot of water, guys. Definitely flowing a little harder today. Oh yeah, she's flowing. That right there was where the drifter down was last year. So beautiful though. Back up and show y'all this too. I don't know if I've showed y'all this before. Back up. I'll use y'all as my rear view. Yeah, but right here before the creek, you got a little thing right here. You got a little stream coming up through there with a little waterfall. I think it's a pretty little cool area too. Woo, pretty cool stuff. Well, I think that's going to be about it today, guys. I hope y'all liked the little adventure to kind of check on the property, see if we had any trees down blocking anything, you know. So far, I think we're weathering the storm pretty good, knock on wood. I haven't really had a lot of branches and trees and stuff down. You know, we've had a couple of issues and stuff, but that's just part of it this time of year. But it's beautiful. I'm definitely looking forward to walking that other property. I'm going to try to get that done tomorrow. If I get a chance, I'll film it, but I'd like to see where water's puddling and flowing and all of that stuff down there. We're supposed to still have rain tonight, so I don't have to get out there today to do it. I just wanted to check the main areas for now. But with the property moving forward and getting close, it'll be sometime in hopefully early February that we can get it closed and all of that other stuff. I got to start keeping my eye on there and seeing what that property's problems and woes are going to be. But being that it's going to be a recreation thing, I don't have to worry about it so much. Alright guys, I love every single one of y'all. Hope y'all having an amazing Saturday, an amazing weekend. Hopefully y'all got some drier weather than I do. Get out and do something fun today or take another step closer to your goals. Love every single one of y'all and keep it real. Come on.